In this video, we will learn how to use percentage sign in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some student name with the marks of the every student. I want to show this mark with the percentage sign. Just select the range and you can see here the home tab. You get here the percentage sign. Just click on that. You can see here the percentage is sign is added. But this marks is an invalid sheet. Okay. Now I am remove this percentage sign. Just I enter the control Z, the undo sign, and I'm show you the two way you can convert add here the percentage sign. Okay, the first way I'm using the formula. Second way I'm show you the one simple trick to how to convert the in percentage in this mark. Okay, first I'm using the formula is equal to select the marks multiple 1%. Okay, and just enter. Copy this formula to other cells. Okay, then select the range of cell and click on the percentage sign. Here you get the percentage sign. This is a one way you can add the percentage sign with the number of marks. Now I just delete this formula. There is a one second trick. Enter here the 1%. Okay, then copy this. Select the range of cell where you want to add the percentage sign. Right click of the mouse. You can see here the paste special. Enter it. You can see here the multiply. Just select this and click on the OK. You can see here the all marks is converted with the percentage sign. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.